Hi, welcome to Module 6 of our course, Using Tact at the Workplace for Success. In this module, we'll try and understand what is the mindset of a person who is tactful. Now, a person who is tactful has a very clear intention. This person, when is engaging with somebody else, has a certain thought in mind as to what should be the outcome of this meeting. So let's say that you are having a conversation with a team member in which you are deciding on the target for next year. And it's very clear that the target for next year is significantly higher than what the team member is expecting. And this is a situation which might become a little difficult. The team member might push back, and you may have to convince the team member to take on the target positively. Now, when you begin to start talking to this team member, you have a clear objective in mind. And the objective is that the team member should accept the target and accept it positively, committing to working on it so that he can achieve it next year. Now, while you get into the conversation might move in a very different direction because the target is very high and the team member might start contesting it, might start arguing about it. Now, in that kind of a situation, you step back and you start deciding, how do I engage with this person? So when you're trying to engage with that person differently, before you do that, you are trying to assess what's going on in his mind. Is it that he's already come with some negative emotions? Is he distracted about something? Is there something that he's holding back and wanting to tell me? Is there something that I'm not listening to? So what you're really doing here is that you're taking a lot of feedback. You are actually attentively looking at this person, trying to read his or her emotions, taking feedback, listening, asking questions. Because the better you take the feedback, the more effective would be the outcome of this meeting. So you continue to take feedback, and on the basis of that feedback, you modify your interaction. So if you sense that this person doesn't seem to be attentive today, is maybe distracted about something, you may shift the topic and start talking about or asking questions about what is distracting him. If you sense that he's too conflicted right now and he's just not willing to listen to the discussion, listen to you about this target, then you may decide to postpone the meeting, or you may bring up some other topic before you go back to discussing the target. So eventually what you're doing here is some kind of a slow dance with this person. You're taking in a lot of information and you're adjusting so that the conversation keeps moving forward, and eventually the impact of this meeting is aligned to the desired outcome. So the person who is tactful will ensure that he continues to take feedback from this person and continues to keep modifying his behavior so that the outcome that is desired is achieved. So as you can see in this diagram here, this person is continually taking feedback and at the same time engaging proactively. Now, proactive is a very important word because he's not reacting. When he gets some feedback in terms of the body language, in terms of the way this person is speaking or the person is reacting to his words, when he gets the feedback, he doesn't react to that. He doesn't get angry, he doesn't get frustrated. Rather, he steps back. He digests and processes that information. And then he engages proactively. So there is a continual process of seeking feedback and engaging proactively. And this continual feedback and this continual process ensures that the actual impact is aligned to the desirable outcome. And that is the mindset of a person who is using tact in any engagement or conversation. Now, it's important for you to have this kind of a mindset when you're getting into a conversation. So, what happens with most of us is that we tend to get stuck up. We either start reacting to what the other person is saying, we start forcing our point on that person, we stop listening to the other person, we start asking too many questions, we start becoming judgmental or sarcastic, and that is where tact fails. So when we are getting into a conversation, we need to move into this mindset, which says that keep taking feedback, keep listening attentively, keep taking in information, process it, and then engage proactively. And as you keep working on this loop, slowly the conversation will move forward. You'll know what to say, you'll know what to ask, you'll know where to keep quiet, because all that will come naturally if you follow this process. And the tactful approach will happen automatically. And once that starts happening, that engagement, discussion, or even an argument or resolution of a conflict, whatever may be that engagement, will move forward in the right direction. Now, in the next module, we will learn about the steps that are required to be tactful.